Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I would like to share a simple shrimp biryani recipe using an instant pot. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients. This is 3 tablespoons of oil, whole garam masala, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tomato diced, half an onion sliced, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is 2 cups of basmati rice soaked in water for around 30 minutes. This is jumbo shrimp, count of 30 pieces I believe. 1 bunch of mint leaves, 1 bunch of coriander leaves. So I bought this bag of jumbo shrimp from HEB. I believe you can find this in any stores here. So these have the tail on. So I removed the tail and let it thaw for a while. The first step is to marinate the shrimp. So I'm going to use half of my ginger garlic paste and half of turmeric from this and red chili powder. So we won't be marinating this for too long. So take the time to mix this thoroughly. So shrimp is very delicate, so be very gentle. Make sure all the pieces are coated well. Once you have marinated the shrimp, set it aside and bring out your instant pot and plug in the instant pot. Turn on saute mode and let it be in normal temperature. I'm gonna let the inner pot heat up for 2 minutes. So one quick tip while cooking seafood is try to light up a candle before you start your cooking, and also open up your door if possible. So once the inner pot is hot, add oil and wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the oil to heat up. After 2 minutes, when the oil is hot, add shrimp very slowly and let the shrimp fry in the oil for a bit. Try to even out the shrimp so that all the pieces are cooked perfectly. Typically, I would first fry the onions and then add the meat into this, but I want the shrimp to first fry in the oil rather than cook in water. So that is the reason I'm adding shrimp first into the oil. Keep sauteing till all the moisture is gone. So you can notice the oil separate or come to the top. So just set these shrimp aside. We're gonna cook these later again. And at this point, now this is all oil. So now I'm gonna add whole garam masala into this and let this fry. And after a minute, add onions into this. Add salt to help the onion cook faster. So after you add the onions, you can add ginger garlic paste and let the onions and ginger garlic paste fry in the oil for a minute. Keep stirring gently so nothing gets stuck to the bottom. If something gets stuck to the bottom, we might get a burn sign. So I would like to avoid that. So keep stirring. So sometimes if you notice anything being stuck to the bottom, you can simply change the saute temperature to low and scrape it off and turn on the temperatures back to normal once you're done with it. This is one of the best known methods to avoid burn signal. And the ginger garlic paste is cooked. Mix everything. Everything is cooked very well in the oil, onions and ginger garlic paste. The raw smell is gone. So I'm going to add tomatoes into this and just toss the tomatoes and mix it well and let the tomatoes cook for a minute. After adding tomatoes, add mint and let this fry. I really like the mint smell. After a minute, add coriander powder. Add your garam masala powder. And if you have any other biryani masalas, you can completely skip these powders and just add the biryani masala powder. Just give it a quick mix, and I'm gonna let this saute for another minute. Masala is cooked well. So for rice, I took around 2 cups of rice with this cup. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of water into this. Mix it well and scrape off anything that you can feel in the bottom. You can check for salt at this point. So drain all the water from your rice. Add this rice into the mixture. So spread the rice evenly, don't mix it too much. And on top of this, add coriander leaves. You can also add fried onions because this is biryani. Turn off saute temperature. Close your lid. Turn on pressure cook. Set it to 6 minutes and adjust the pressure level to low pressure. And now make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. So I have let the pressure release naturally and the valve is down. So now I'm gonna open the lid. So this is perfectly done, and I'm gonna fluff this a bit. You can notice it's not mushy at all and the rice is not sticking to each other, and this is perfectly done. So that's it guys, the shrimp biryani is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.